How to fix WhatsApp call problem. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do guys is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then open the apps like this. Go to the apps and then scroll all the way down. Click on the WhatsApp. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. Click on the storage and then click on this clear cache. It's very easy and you won't lose any data, so don't worry. Click on clear cache, go back, click on the permissions and make sure to enable the call logs permissions in the top. After that, go back into the settings, open the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi and then turn off the Wi-Fi and enable it again. And if you can't change the network, so change it, because sometimes the problem is just from the network. Don't forget to like, subscribe.